Look at my life. Just look at my face. Look like a clown. Yo, let's get this. Welcome back to my YouTube channel if you're new here. Let's do my makeup. First things first. This is too damn high, so this is better. Clean up my face first. First step done. So today, if you can't hear, I have a lot of acne scars. A lot, and I feel like the camera is blurring some of them. Come on, let me change this for you better. So as you can see, I have a lot of acne, post marks. So I'm going to be showing you how to cover that up without doing a lot, because every time someone does my makeup for me, they always end up using too much foundation on my face, and it gets so cakey, and I'm like, oh god, all that people is doing my makeup, because you use too much products, because you feel like you need a lot of product to cover acne scars, which you really don't. You don't. So today, in case you've been suffering like me and you need easy steps to cover up your acne without actually making your face cakey, let me show you how to do that. Next, we're going to prime. This is my holy grail. God damn. Stay matte. Color correct. This is the holy grail for covering acne scars. This is like literally the holy grail for covering acne scars. You don't need a lot. As you can see, it's almost done, but we'll still try to salvage what we can. So I'm going to cover this up. Step 2 is over of color correcting. Do our concealing. So we're just going to down here. So I'm going to set the placements for you to know what you're doing. Then next we're going to go in with this my beautiful palette from ZK. How did they do this shit? There. Now that we're done with that, then I'm going to have my foundation. Foundation goes down here, and we will have to do this. Now that is what we're doing. As you can see, covered, minimal makeup. You don't need to cake my face, and now we're gonna blend in every other thing. So I'm gonna take this and blend it upwards. 1, 2 upwards, like so, into my eyes. Next, let's blend, because I'm not really doing anything much today for my. We're just going to dab this in. Look up. Gonna look up. Look at that. You didn't really need to do much. and everything is already covered. Stop it. You don't need much to cover up your acne scars. You can see we're done covering up everything. Now time to add a little bit more color. I remember before I don't used to use blush on my face, and this is my makeup personally. It's not even bad. It still looks good, but now we need blush. Now I think everybody has their shade of blush. For me, it's definitely orange. Orange blush is just, it's me. I'm orange blush. Orange blush is me. Because I've not seen any other blush color that fits me like that. Obviously, pink is cool and pretty, but orange is my color. It just gives me what I need from blush. Pink is always so weird on my skin. I don't know. I'm not really a fan of pink, but I'm such a fan of orange. It does everything it needs to do for me, so I cannot complain. Oh my god, I think this is so much. It's too much. So, blending. You know what's gonna save this blush? Highlights. I said I didn't want to do full base of makeup. And that's what I'm doing right now. Then I'll place it here. That's it. That's all for the lighter. While that is doing what it's doing, let's do our brows. And I always like a good brown on my eyes. It just gives depth. So a little bit of depth, like I said. And now with earth. Just bring it. I ended up doing a full face of makeup. And I say, I fucked up this makeup. I did. I went too overboard, and now this shit is not even looking right. This makeup is trash. Let's just finish it fast because I don't even know what I'm doing again. I look like a clown. My brows, let's just fill it in lightly. That's easy. Simple. Simple brows. Simple brows. It didn't take me 2 minutes. We are done with that one. We move on to the next. That's my face up there. Why am I even doing these things? God, though. I need another setting powder because this one is almost done. See, person we want to do simple makeup. Look at my life. Just look at my face. Everybody they fight their own battle. Don't go and use your own scatter person. Okay, my settings play anyway. Oh god damn, this makeup shit is trash. It's not even nice at all. blushes so much. You do the under of my eye, I beg. It's looking like he wants to rain. God, I beg. I need this light. That eye really just brought it together. I'm gonna do this hair is so fine. Like it's visually so fine. Let's do our wings. So yeah, two very different types of wings. But I think they will suffice if I'm being honest. It's trash. It's trash. But I look good. Either way. You cannot spoil beauty. Once I'll have you try. I want to put some bookmarks just because I feel like doing so. I don't know where I want it to be. Maybe somewhere here. No, let me put it here. That's cute. It's not even cute, 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 cute. Two beautiful marks, and that's so we're going to set my face again with this Pro Select Spray. That's good. And that's how you cover up your acne scars. But you that's how you cover up your acne scars. You don't have to do this method. I don't like it either. But if this helps you, drop a comment. If you've been struggling with acne like me, drop a comment. Let's see how we can help each other. And if you have your own way of doing this, please do tag me on any videos you know that can help. Like on IG, I'll put my IG tags on your hair. Here maybe? Yeah. I look like an African princess because I am an African princess. Let's move on to next.